Shalom, shalom, brothers and sisters. I've been going over quite a few videos about a lot of subjects, a lot of different shit that's been going on. On the international arena, look like we about to slide into World War III if the United States keep playing games with Vladimir Putin. And whatever he do, he has a right and he's entitled to do because they keep pushing up on him. That being said, the rest of us run out of time. I don't know who your higher power is, who you praying and worshiping to, but it's about time to get right with him and get right quick, because Armageddon is upon us. Something wicked this way comes. Repent and say a prayer. I'm out.